Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start exercise 15.1. This is a new chapter that means circle from your book Emil Agarwal. Okay, for the other chapter please check the description box, the website link will be there. You can just go in the website and search your chapters. So here in sum number 1, calculate the length of a chord which is at a distance 12 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeter. Okay, so here at a distance 12 centimeter means always you have to consider the perpendicular distance. Clear? So first here you have to draw a circle. Suppose this one is a circle. Okay, and here the center of this circle, that one is O. Okay, and this one here the chord, suppose this one as AB. Okay, AB is the chord of that circle. Now this one, suppose here O and this point here D, so O and D. Okay, OD here perpendicular on AB. Okay, OD perpendicular on AB, and here that perpendicular distance, that one equal to here 12. Okay, that means here OD equal to 12. Now next thing you have to here join O and A. So here OA is the radius of that circle. That means this one here 13. It's given. Okay, so write down here OA, that one equal to radius, so 13 centimeter. OD here the perpendicular distance, that one equal to 12 centimeter. Now from the triangle ADO is a right angle triangle. So here you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem, that is here hypotenuse square, that means AO square. Hypotenuse square is equal to here base means AD square plus here OD square. OD means perpendicular. So I repeat, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now here you have to find out AD. So here AD square is equal to AO square minus OD square. AO means here 13 square, then here minus 12 square. 169 minus 144. So here it's 5, here 2. That means here AD equal to root over 25, so 5 centimeter. So as here AD equal to 5 centimeter, you have to find out the length of the chord. So always remember that here AD is equal to with DB. Okay, that means here AB equal to 2 into AD. So here 2 into 5, that means 10 centimeter is your answer. Okay, 10 centimeter is your answer, because here the theorem you know that if OD is the perpendicular distance from the center to the chord, then OD definitely bisect the chord. Okay, that means D is the midpoint of AB. Okay, now the next problem, sum number 2. Here in sum number 2, a chord of length 48 centimeter is drawn in a circle of radius 25. Okay, again similar kind of problem. So that one is the circle, this one is the chord, that one is center. Here the distance radius equal to here it's 25, and here the length of AB, that means the chord. So here AB equal to 48 centimeter, and suppose this one O, this one D. So here OD, you know that OD is half of AB. So 48 by 2, that one equal, sorry, it's not OD, extremely sorry for that one. Here AD, AD is half of here AB, that means here 48 by 2, so it's 24 centimeter. Okay, so here AD equal to 24 centimeter, and now you have to find out the distance from the center, that means you have to find out OD. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to AO square, that means hypotenuse square minus base square. So here you know that AO means 25, so 25 square, and AD means here 24 square. So 25 means 625, and here 24 means 576, and that one equal to here 49. So here OD equal to root over 49, and that one equal to 7 centimeter as your answer. Now next one, sum number 3. A chord of length 8 centimeter. Okay, so this one is a circle. Again, a chord that is here 8 centimeter. So here AB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, is at a distance 3 centimeter from the center. So okay, so this one O, this one D, so this one 3. That means here OD equal to 3 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the circle. Okay, calculate the radius. So first you have to find out AD. You know that AD is half of AB, that one equal to 4 centimeter. So it's very easy to find out AO square. That means hypotenuse square is AD square plus OD square. Okay, that means 4 square plus 3 square, and that one equal to here 25. So here AO equal to 5 centimeter as your answer. Now next one, sum number 4. So here in sum number 4, calculate the length of a chord which is at a distance 6 centimeter, okay, from the center. So suppose this one is the chord, here its center, okay, this one here D, it's AB. So here OD is 6 centimeter from the center, and here the diameter, okay, diameter equal to 20 centimeter. So as here diameter equal to 20 centimeter, so here radius equal to half of diameter, that means 10 centimeter. And if you join here O and A, so definitely OA is the radius of that circle. So here OA equal to 10 centimeter. Now from the triangle ADO, it's a right angle triangle. So here AO square minus OD square, that one equal to here AD square by Pythagoras theorem. So here AD square equal to AO square means 10 square, OD means here 6 square. So 100 minus here 36, that one equal to here 64. That means AD equal to here root over 64. So it's 8 centimeter. So as here AD equal to 8 centimeter, you know that here D is the midpoint. So that means here AB is equal to 2 into AD. Okay, that means here 2 into 8. So 16 centimeter is the length of the chord. Now next one, sum number 5. All problems are similar kind of problem. So here a chord of length 16 centimeter is at a distance. So this one is a circle, here its length 16. Okay, that means here AB equal to 16. AB equal to 16 centimeter. Here distance 6. So suppose this one O, this one D. So here OD equal to 6 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the same circle which is at a distance of 8 centimeter. Okay, so this one is the second chord. Suppose here C and E. Okay, CE is the another chord, and here the perpendicular distance from the center, that one equal to here 8. So suppose is this one F. So here OF equal to 8 centimeter. And now you have to find out the length of CE. You have to find out the length of CE. Clear? Okay. So here first you have to join OC, and then you have to join OA. You know that here OC is equal to OA because both are the radius of the same circle. Okay, both are the radius of the same circle. So here from the triangle, as here from the triangle, write down here ADO. Okay, here AO square, that means hypotenuse square, is equal to AD square plus OD square. Now as here AB equal to 16, so AD equal to half of 16, that one equal to 8 centimeter. So here write down 8 square, and here 6 square. That means here 64 plus 36, that one equal to 100. So here AO equal to 10 centimeter. Root over 100, 10. So this one here 10, this one also 10. Now from the triangle here CFO. From the triangle CFO, here CO square, that means hypotenuse square, is equal to OF square, the perpendicular, and the CF square, the base. So here you can write down OF means here 8 square and here uh, CF square. Okay, so now here CO square means 10 square. So 10 square minus 8 square, that one equal to CF square. So here CF equal to root over 10 square means 100. 100 minus 64, that means 36. So that one equal to here 6 centimeter. So as here CF equal to 6 centimeter and OF is the perpendicular distance, then definitely F will be the midpoint of CE. I repeat, as here CE is the chord, OF is the perpendicular distance from the center. That means here F is the midpoint of CE. So here definitely CE is equal to 2 into CF. That means 2 into 6 and 12 centimeter is the length of that chord. Now next one, sum number 6. In a circle of radius 5 centimeter, AB and CD are two parallel chords of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, so here this one is a circle. Suppose this one center, this one here AB, okay, and the next one here CD, two parallel chords. Clear? Here AB is 8 centimeter, so AB equal to 8 centimeter, and here CD equal to here 6 centimeter. Okay, now calculate the distance between the chords if they are on the opposite side. Okay, so this one for sum number 2. Okay, this one for sum number 2. So here the opposite side of the center. Okay, and for the first one here the same side of the center. So for the first one here the diagram. Okay, so here this one 8 and this one here 6. So suppose here AB is 8. Okay, so write down here AB and this one here CD. So this one for sum number 1. So first here I'm going to solve sum number 6 2. Okay, so here O is the center. So first you have to draw the perpendicular here, like in this way. Here O is the what? O is the center. Okay, now here the radius is 5 centimeter. So if you joined OB and OD, both are the radius of the same circle. So OB equal to 5, OD equal to also 5. Okay, and as here AB equal to 8, so if this one is the midpoint, suppose this one here E and this one here F, so here EB equal to 4 and FD equal to here 3, because half of 6, that one equal to 3, and half of 8, that one equal to here 4. So as here OEB from this triangle, it's a right angle triangle. Here OE square, that one equal to here OB square minus EB square by Pythagoras theorem. So 5 square minus 4 square, that means here 25 minus 16, that one equal to here 9. So definitely OE equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, OE equal to 3 centimeter. Now the next one from the triangle here OFD. Again OFD, OD. So here you can write down OF. Okay, OF square is equal to OD square minus FD square. So OD square means 5 square and here 3 square. That means 25. 25 minus 9, that one equal to here 16. So here OF equal to root 16 means 4 centimeter. Okay, and here you have to find out the distance between two chords. That means here you have to find out the length of EF. So here EF means OE plus OF. That means 3 plus 4 centimeter, and your answer here 7 centimeter. Okay, so that is for the first one. Now for the next one, here if you join this one, so then again you have to join here this one also and this one also. So here E is the midpoint of AB, so definitely this point here E and this one here F. Okay, so now you can write down again the similar thing. here EB, okay, EB means again 4 centimeter, and here FD again 3 centimeter, okay. So here for the second one, EB equal to also 4 and FD equal to 3. So that means here definitely if this one is O, so here OE equal to here 3 centimeter and OF equal to here 4 centimeter. Now if you want to find out the distance between these two chords, so that means here you have to find out the value of EF. So here the value of EF is equal to OF minus OE, that means 4 minus 3, and that one equal to 1 centimeter as your answer. Now next one, sum number 7-1. Sorry, it's sum number 7A, not 1. In the figure 1 given below, so here the given figure, it's a circle here. O is the center, this one a chord CD, and here AB is the another chord. The distance here OM, and here the another distance perpendicular, it's ON. Okay, so O is the center of the circle, AB and CD are two chords of the circle. OM is perpendicular on AB and ON is perpendicular on CD. Clear? Now AB equal to 24. So AB equal to 24, that means here you can write down AM, or you can write down MB, that one equal to 12, the half of AB. Okay, next one here ON equal to 12 here, OM equal to 5 here. Okay, OM equal to 5, ON equal to here 12. Then find the radius of the circle. Okay, so first you have to join this one OA. So definitely OA is the radius. So OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square by Pythagoras theorem. As here OM means 5 square, here AM means 12 square. So here 25 plus 144, it's 169. Then OA root over 169, it's 13 centimeter. The first answer. Next, you have to find out the length of CD. So here if you joined OC, so OC is also the radius of the same circle. So here OC equal to 13 centimeter. As here OA 13 centimeter, so OC equal to 13 centimeter. That means here CN square is equal to OC square minus ON square by Pythagoras theorem. So 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144, it's 25. So here Cn equal to root over 25, not 125, root over 25, here 5 centimeter. Okay, now as here ON is the perpendicular distance from the chord to the center, then definitely N is the midpoint of CD. That means Cn is equal to half of CD. So if you want to find out CD, then it will be here 2 into 5, that means 10 centimeter as your answer. Okay, now next part, sum number 7B. So here in 7B, another diagram. So this one here the diameter, here O is the center, here chord AB, that one equal to here 4, that one also 4, and here if that point equal to E point, okay, definitely E will be the midpoint of AB, that one equal to C, here EC equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, this one here O, and here it's D. So CD is the diameter which meet the chord AB in E such that AE, okay, such that AE equal to BE, that means equal, E is the midpoint. So AE is equal to EB, as here E is the midpoint of AB, then definitely OE is perpendicular on AB by the theorem. Okay, OE is the perpendicular distance from the center of this chord. So if CE equal to 3 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. Okay, you have to just find out the radius of that one. Now, as here OB is the radius of that circle, as well as OC also the radius of that circle. Okay, so here OC means you can write down OE plus EC. That means here OE plus here 3. Okay, OC is equal to OE plus 3. That means you can write down also OB is equal to OE plus 3. Okay, OB is equal to OE plus 3. Now here in the from the triangle OEB, right angle triangle, here OB square is equal to BE square plus OE square. Now in the place of OB you can write down OE plus 3 whole square. Here BE square means 4 square and here OE square. Now by A plus B whole square formula, OE square plus 2 into 3, it's 6 OE plus 9, here 16 plus OE square. So E square, Y square cancel out. Here 6 OE, that one equal to here 16 minus 9. Okay, 16 minus 9, that one equal to here 7. So OE equal to here, it's 7. 7 by 6. Okay, so here OE equal to 7 by 6. So as here OE equal to 7 by 6, now you have to find out the radius. So here OB is the radius, that means here 7 by 6 plus 3. Okay, so here 7 plus 18 by 6, that means here 25 by 6. So 25 by 6 means 4 whole 1 by 6 centimeter is your answer. Now next, sum number 8. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel because I need your support, and please press the bell icon for the notification. Okay, so here sum number 8. In the adjoining figure, AB and CD are two parallel chords. Okay, so AB parallel CD. O is the center. Okay, if the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter, find the distance MN between the two chords of length 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. So here AB equal to 24 centimeter and here CD is equal to 18 centimeter. And as here OM is perpendicular on AB, that means M is the midpoint. So here AM or MB is equal to 12 centimeter, the half of AB. Here ON perpendicular on CD, that means here CN or ND equal to half of CD, that means 9 centimeter. Now if you join OB and OD, both are the radius of the same circle. So OB and here OD equal to R. R means radius. Okay, so here you can write down this one as 9 and this one here 12. MB 12 and here ND 9 centimeter. Here the radius is 5, so you can write down this one as here 5. Sorry, 5 means 15 centimeter. Okay, so here it's 15 and here also this one 15. So here you have to find out the value of MN. That means first you have to find out the value of OM and then you have to find out the value of ON. So from the triangle OMB, it's a right angle triangle. So here OM square, that one equal to here OB square minus MB square. That means here 15 square minus 12 square. So here OM, it's root over 15 square means 225. Okay, so here you can write down 225 minus 144. It's 81. That means here 9 centimeter. Okay, OM equal to 9. And next one here ON square, it's root over here OD square minus here ND square. OD means here again 15 square, ND means here 9 square. So that means here 225 minus here 81, that means root over 144. So here this one only ON. Okay, so here ON is equal to 12 centimeter. So as here OM equal to here 9, ON equal to here 12. So that means here 12 plus 9, it's 21 centimeter is the value of MN. That means the distance between two chords. And that is your final answer.